Okay, students, we are going to take a look at a real world problem that involves ratio and rates. The problem reads, Tyler took the escalator to the second floor. The escalator is 12 meters long and he rode the escalator for 30 seconds. Which statements are true? Select all that apply. So I'm going to do the work inside the box, but understand I'm going to choose one of these that are true. Not one, I'm sorry. Two, three, four, maybe all five of them. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get the unit rate. Okay, so up here, draw a line. I'm going to be very organized with the way we think this through. Okay, so up here we are finding unit rate. All right, so using a ratio table, which is what we do, first thing I'm going to ask you is what is being compared. Okay, so we are comparing meters to seconds. So meters on top, seconds on bottom. Ultimately, I want to know how many meters in 1 second. So the original ratio is 12 meters, 30 seconds. Well, what did I do to 30 to get 1? I divided by 30. So I'm going to do the same thing here. Okay, so 12 goes inside the bracket because it's first, 12 divided by 30. So 12 divided by 30, decimal, 0, decimal. 30 won't go into 1 or 12, but it will go into 120 4 times. Exactly. So 0.4 meters in 1 second. Now, that 0.4 meters in 1 second is the unit rate. And that is what we're going to use to solve the rest of these. Let's look down there real quick and see if that's one of the options. 0.4 meters in 1 second. Right here. He traveled 0.4 meters per, which means 1 second. Look right above that. They're trying to say that this is the unit rate. He traveled 2.5 meters per second. That's not true. So that is definitely wrong. So we've already eliminated 2 of these. Okay, so I'm going to back up so that we can see this as well. Okay, now I'm going to break this into, let's go, let me see here, 3 other sections. All right, so in every single one of these, I'm going to write 0.4 meters 1 second. 0.4 meters 1 second. See how I'm working smart, not hard? 0.4 meters 1 second. I mean, we can make this a ratio table just like this where it's not enclosed. It doesn't matter. Okay? All right, looking at A, it says that he traveled 2 meters every 5 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to put the 5 seconds right here. And I'm going to see if this is a true statement. Okay, so what did I do to 1 to get 5? Well, I multiplied by 5, right? So that's what I have to do up here. So 5 times 0.4. This means I scoop my decimal 1 place to the left, so I go like this. So then that answer would be 2 meters. He traveled 2 meters every 5 seconds. 2 meters, 5 seconds. That is a true statement. So we only have 2 more to do. Next one, every 10 seconds he traveled 4 meters. Okay, so 10 seconds is what I'm going to put down here. 10 seconds. Well, what did I do to 1 to get 10? Multiply 10. So I'm going to see if this is a true statement by multiplying it out. So 10 times 0.4. 4 times 0, 4 times 1. I only have one digit to the right of the decimal in the problem, so I move one place to the left, so this would be 4 meters 10 seconds. Every 10 seconds he traveled 4 meters. Is that true? 4 meters, 10 seconds. You betcha it's true. We already said that's not true. We said that's true. So we only have one more to check. Okay. So every 25 seconds he traveled 7 meters. So let's try 25 seconds. Well, what did I do to 1 to get 25? I multiplied 25. So now I have to multiply 25 here and see if it is 7 meters. Okay, so 25 times 0.4, 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10, and double check that. 5 times 4 is 20. 4, 8, 9, 10. Just didn't seem right. I have one digit to the right of the decimal, so I'm going to move one place to the left, and you get 10 meters 25 seconds. That says every 25 seconds he traveled 7 meters. It should be 10. Okay, so that is not true. So this is the correct answer right here. At the top where it says which statements are true, select all that apply. This is the correct answer. This is true, this is true, this is true. Both of these are wrong. So this would be correct. Okay, you have a packet to complete. Use this as a guide to help you answer the questions. Good luck, guys.